Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create velocity aided with directional blur shake in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in CapCut, and as you can see, I have imported my video and add audio to this CapCut project. And first of all, I'm going to add audio beat to this audio. To match cut, we can tap on the audio and then we're going to go to the beat option, this one, and I'm going to add the beat automatically. I'm going to select auto generate. Okay, and now the audio beat have been added to my audio, and I'm going to click on the check mark and I'm going to cut my video according to the beat mark. Okay, right here I'm going to split it like this guys, one by one according to the beat mark. Okay, and I'm not gonna do that for the rest of my video. I'm just going to do it until this part, because this is just for an example. And then I'm going to apply animation to my clip. I'm going to apply animation to my first clip. I'm going to tap on animation and I'm going to select in animation. We can choose the swing bottom. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find swing bottom, this one guys. I'm going to apply it to my clip like this. Okay, and I'm going to apply to this one. You just need to apply this swing bottom animation to your clip until it can create like directional blur shape, and you can customize it according to your needs. Okay, and this is for the example. Okay, and you can apply it until the rest of your video. Alright guys, and that's how basically we can create velocity aided with directional blur shake in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.